Alright, so get this. If you saw my video a couple of days ago, I was clearing a really backed up sewer with the K60, and I had to install a hose bib so I could hose down the area afterwards. What I didn't show on camera is that while I was unthreading that 3/4 cap on that male thread for the water main, the tenant, who doesn't really speak English, came up to me, saw me doing it. He was just watching really intently, and he saw me put the hose bib on there, and he goes, I need that. He didn't sound like that. It kind of sounded, that was horrible, but broken English. You're not really speaking English, right? So he's like, I need that. And I was like, oh yeah, I need this for jobs. I'm not here to install a hose bib. So no problem, right? No problem. So I get a text message with a picture. Well, let me back up. So I put that cap back on before I left and got it pretty tight. Let's just say that. I took my 12-inch channies and I wrenched that thing down. So I get a text this morning, and it's a picture of that same pipe where I put the hose bib blasting water all over the dude's car, that truck that was right there. And they said, hi, but they weren't like, oh my gosh, it's a leak. They were like, hi, this pipe is leaking. And that was it. And I know for a fact, because that guy had a pipe wrench out there. I remember seeing a red 10-inch rigid pipe wrench. I absolutely guarantee you that guy this morning, I'm heading there right now, that guy this morning unthreaded that cap to put a hose bib on that he probably got at Home Depot. But what he didn't see me do is turn off the water before I did all that. And I don't think they know where the water shutoff is, although it's pretty obvious where it is, you know. But a little backstory. But I was going back here anyway. I told the landlord, I said, look, I got to go back and pressure wash all the poop that got everywhere, because what I did with the hose helped, but it wasn't enough. So, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, going back, and I'll show you the photo they sent is quite comical. It's just spewing out because the water pressure over there is insanely juicy. It's really good water pressure. It's actually probably too much. It's pretty high, so this will be comical once we arrive. You see all the water? Looks like they might have gotten it turned off. Look at all the water. The shutoff is right there. Nope, it's still on. Oh no, it's still flowing. It's still flowing. Look at these people. Look at it. Look at it. That's pretty funny to me. I don't know. Maybe it's not funny to you. I don't really care. I think it's hilarious because I know he took that off and he took a freaking water full of a face full of water, and he's probably like, oh no, and he backed his truck up even. Oh no, I'm wrong. I'm completely wrong, dude. I take everything I said back. Holy cow, look at that. All right, well, we're back here anyway. I literally came back here to pressure wash all this, get this out of here. This is all the poop from the video the other day. I'm just gonna pressure wash it down into here and it'll sink into the earth. I can't believe, I thought for sure he took that off. Well, I apologize, guy. You didn't take it off. Huh. I apologize. The freaking cap gave out. Look at that, dude. And it's not surprising considering how crusty that is. Okay, now I gotta look for a clean out. So I'm gonna hydrojet the whole sewer here. Boom shakalaka. But I'd like to go back even one more. There should be a sewer clean out. Look at all these freaking cats, dude. Hello. Yes, sir. What's it? No, I'm looking for a sewer clean out. Do you happen to know where that is? No. I'm trying to hydrojet from back here all the way to the city. I don't see one. Maybe I'll just do it from this building right here. No, I don't see it. Unless it's under the cars. Nope. Just cats. Just cats. Maybe it's... Nope. It's alright. There you go. Look at that. Just punched a hole right through it. It's crazy. It's Galvy for you. Alright. We got the jetter full of gas. Got the reel. I got the pressure washing wand. So let's do this, folks. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna send the camera all the way down to the city sewer. And then I'm going to put a jetter nozzle on, send that all the way down, pull the camera out, and then just slowly pull the jetter nozzle back towards me, because this is, we're not pinpointing any specific blockage. It's a combi, isn't it? This is just the sewer really needed it. It just kind of, just needs to be shaped up a little bit. There we go. So that's what I'm doing, and then we'll jet it, and then we'll power wash this. Look, I'm in the sewer, but I'm outside. Look, that's the sky. I can hear it. I can freaking hear it. I can't find where it's coming from. It sounds like it's coming from over here somewhere, but I can't figure out what the heck. I mean, it's just tripping me out, bro. Pulling it down the vent, that looks like a double Y right there. But look, there's a crack in it right here. There's a crack right there in the vent part. This combi goes that way. So something does probably go this way and then run all the way down. But this mystery clean out here It's gotta be, I swear I'm hearing it over here. But the camera's going this way, dude. So, all right. It's a vent. It's coming up out of the roof. It's coming up out of the dang roof, dude. What am I doing here, bro? Come on, man. Okay. That answers my question. So we got a clean out that goes towards the freaking toilets, not this way. They put the combi backwards, I guess. I don't know. Because obviously it's going to go like, it's going to go this way. But you can see it's a freaking vent. Gosh. Sometimes I just don't use my brain. What can I say? So that's back-to-back toilets for sure. Was that a figure eight? So pull it back. Man, I'm predicting everything wrong today. I thought that guy took off the cap. I'm freaking walking around like a jagoff. See? Look at the direction of the combi. The combi goes that way. So how the heck are we supposed to ever clean that out? I would say we're in East LA. I would say East LA has some of the worst plumbing that I've ever seen. So it doesn't surprise me. Okay, so that wasted 30 minutes. So we're just gonna jet from that clean out to the city. Simple as that. It's 80 feet down. We just slowly pull it back. All right, dang. Still kind of leaking a little bit. Now we're gonna pressure wash this. Like the jetter heads, you gotta get this ultra tight. This. Otherwise it just squirts like your sister. I got that from Boston Plumbing Monsters or whatever that guy's name is. Okay, we're just gonna hold it like that. Okay, I got two hands. I mean, it is so much freaking pressure, it's insane. The jetter just died. I had it too low. This is entirely too much pressure. I'm gonna shoot rocks into those cars, and I don't want to damage anybody's stuff. So I'm gonna have to. That's it. The goal here was just to get the golden nuggets out of the way and kind of wash them down into the vegetation. It's organic matter, so it will sink into the earth.